more frightening than a lie, disturbing than a dream. And so we survive in a creed. Those with the courage to say, call them a witch and burn down another stake. So trade in my youth for a dream, and the best years around for a crown of thorns. As it turned out, so is the truth, more frightening than a lie, so afraid to die without an explanation. Those with the courage to say